My name is Larry Birnbaum. I'm the Vice President of Global Hospitality and MDU for Ruckus and lead our hospitality practice around the world. Well, I think the idea of the guest room of the future is exciting and what we can do for guests and not just guests, but also associates and hotel operations. I think many of the advances are done with the design of individual vendors or individual solutions. What's been lacking is a comprehensive view of how all of the different services fit together and the requirements for a common infrastructure to support them all. So every time somebody has a new enhancement or a new application they want to add, the infrastructure is really in place to support it. So the key is to have a well thought out common infrastructure that is robust enough and has enough headroom to support all future applications, whichever they may be. So Wi-Fi 6 is the first real advancement in the design and architecture of Wi-Fi since its inception. All previous enhancements have really been about really at the access point level and improving speeds through what I'll call brute force. Faster processors, more memory, better antenna technology, but not really about the way the devices communicate. So with Wi-Fi 6, the real change is on the client side, whether it be a tablet, smartphone, notebook, any other client. So as the client devices begin to show up on networks, the real enhancements to the overall network for Wi-Fi 6 become apparent. So I think people today have to start designing their networks to support this coming, I'll call it avalanche of client devices. Most every major manufacturer is talking about putting Wi-Fi 6 on them. The real advantage to the network is Wi-Fi 6 clients become, I will say, isolated, and they become the faster traffic. That frees up processing for legacy devices that are still backward compatible, but will operate as they have in the past. So you end up with a much more efficient traffic flow through the network. And I think, as I said, with Wi-Fi 6 devices coming soon, people have to be designing for it, and the overall network will be the beneficiary of a more efficient operation. I think that there's obviously value in peer networking, even though some companies compete and some of our competitors are here. There's a lot of really bright people here with really good ideas. The ecosystem has to continue to advance, and that's not done in isolation. History has proven that proprietary solutions rarely exceed in the market. Open standards are always the best. They enhance the atmosphere for new development and just technology advancement. So it's just great to be among peers and listen to some of the smartest minds in the marketplace talking about what they're doing.